Before we begin, just pause for a second. Close your eyes if it feels safe. Place one hand on your heart. Take one slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel it fill your chest. Soften your shoulders. Calm your mind. Now exhale slowly. Let any tension or expectation drift away. What if I told you that just three simple words used with real sincerity could leave a lasting emotional echo in someone's mind long after the conversation ends? Not because they're clever, not because they're rehearsed, but because they create a moment of genuine feeling. A moment her heart remembers even when she doesn't want to think about it. Most people spend hours overthinking messages, trying to be funny, perfect, or impressive. But attraction isn't logical. It isn't built on effort alone. It lives in the unconscious, in the quiet feelings words can spark when they're honest, present, and emotionally real. Today, we're going to explore exactly how to create those moments, not through games or tricks, but through authentic communication that makes someone feel truly seen, valued, and emotionally moved. These three words aren't magic. They're tools for deeper connection when used with integrity, timing, and respect. If this already feels important to you, take a second right now to like the video. It helps this message reach more people who want healthier, more meaningful interactions. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you want more grounded psychology based content on emotional intelligence, authentic attraction, and building connections that feel real. Let's settle in, get comfortable. This is your time to listen, reflect, and grow. Why most conversations are forgettable. Think about the last time someone sent you a message that actually stayed with you. Not the hey, how are you? Not the polite check ins, the ones that made you smile at your phone or pause and feel something deeper. What made those moments different? They carried a real emotion, they painted a picture, they made you feel seen. Most daily conversations are safe, polite, and completely forgettable. Hey, how's your day? Good. You? Fine. Busy. They blend into the background noise of life. The mind doesn't record them because there's no emotional weight, no curiosity, no warmth, no vivid image to replay later. But the unconscious mind works like an artist. It sketches only the moments that matter and blurs everything else. When your words carry real feeling, curiosity, appreciation, presence, they become unforgettable. They echo in quiet moments. They appear when she's alone, when everything is still. That's emotional anchoring. A simple, how are you, disappears. But a sentence that sparks real emotion lingers. The three words that create lasting impact. These aren't pickup lines or gimmicks. Lines are they're honest expressions of intent, attention, and genuine appreciation when used at the right moment with calm confidence and real sincerity. Word one, I want. This one sounds simple, but it carries power. When you say I want with clarity and calm confidence, you're taking responsibility for your desires. You're not asking for permission. You're not testing the waters. You're being direct and decisive. Example, instead of maybe we could hang out sometime if you're free, try, I want to take you to dinner this weekend. I know a great place. Feel the difference. One version feels uncertain and needy, the other feels grounded and intentional. This isn't about being pushy. It's about showing emotional maturity. You know what you want and you're comfortable saying it. That quiet certainty creates healthy polarity. Masculine energy leading with respect, inviting feminine energy to respond naturally. Word two, because this tiny word turns generic statements into something personal and meaningful. I enjoy talking to you is nice but forgettable. Add because. I enjoy talking to you because you have this thoughtful way of seeing things. That makes me pause and think differently. Suddenly, it's not flattery. It's evidence you've been paying real attention. You notice something unique about her mind, her character, her essence. That kind of specific recognition is rare, and it creates emotional resonance. Most conversations stay surface level. When you go deeper, noticing values, resilience, humor, kindness, you show you're truly present. That presence is magnetic. Word three, I appreciate. This is the one that changes everything. Appreciation goes beyond compliments. A compliment often focuses on appearance. You look nice. Appreciation acknowledges inner qualities. I appreciate how thoughtful you are with people. It's rare and really beautiful. When you say, I appreciate, you're showing. You see her beyond the surface. You value who she is as a person. You're choosing her from a place of genuine admiration, not need. Combine them. I want to see you again because I really appreciate the calm energy you bring. It makes everything feel lighter. That sentence plants a vivid emotional image. She feels seen. She feels valued. She feels safe to open up more. Why these words work on a deeper level. Psychology shows that emotional resonance happens when words create positive anchoring, linking you to good feelings. Novelty, breaking the pattern of boring small talk. Specificity, showing real attention. Emotional safety, no pressure, no desperation. When you speak this way, you're not performing, you're being present. You're creating small, authentic moments that her mind naturally replays. That replay is what makes someone unforgettable. How to use them responsibly. Timing matters. Don't force these words into every conversation that feels scripted and inauthentic. Use them in moments that already feel real and connected after a meaningful talk. At the end of a great date, when you genuinely notice something special about her, always match your words with congruence. Calm, steady tone, open posture, direct but warm eye contact, no rushing or over explaining. If she doesn't respond with the same energy, respect that. Attraction is mutual, never push or chase. Let connection grow naturally through shared presence and mutual respect. Final reflection. Attraction isn't about perfection, long messages, or trying too hard. It's about creating moments that leave an emotional mark. Moments that feel real, moments that her heart remembers, even when she doesn't want to think about them. When you speak with honesty, presence, and genuine appreciation, you stop being background noise and start becoming someone truly unforgettable. If this resonated with you, drop a below. Comment one moment when someone's words truly stayed with you. Charles, let's share what real emotional impact feels like. Like, if you're ready to communicate with more intention, subscribe for more grounded psychology based content on attraction, emotional maturity, and building connections that feel authentic and lasting. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing awareness over assumption. You're already making your interactions more real just by watching with an open heart, sending you clarity, kindness, and gentle strength. Until next time, breathe deep, speak with presence, and lead with respect.